Hi, we're Kickresume, and we're going to show you how to list your skills on a resume. Ultimately, your skills section can look like this, or even this. The key here is relevancy. That means you should only mention those skills that are essential for the job you want. Carefully reread the job description to see what they are. For example, if you're applying to a job in IT, some technical skills are going to be absolutely crucial for the job. Emphasize them. Also, if you have a wide range of skills relevant to the job, put them in order, from most to least relevant. Finally, divide your skills section into subcategories to help the employer navigate it with ease. A bit like this. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help writing your resume, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this guide, and if you want a beautiful resume without too much effort, create it at kickresume.com. See you next time.